If you drive a new Shelby and live in a state that requires a front license plate, the STO and SHO bracket will allow you to install it without drilling holes in your brand new bumper. This STO and SHO bracket is made in the USA and is going to fit your 2015 through 2018 GT350 and GT350R. The STO and SHO is going to install easily on your Shelby without requiring any holes to be drilled. These 4 points here will line up with 4 factory screws underneath your belly pan. You're going to remove all 4 screws, replace the front ones with these longer screws with these spacers. And you install those first, and then reinstall the rear factory screws, and that'll hold the plate in place. Now this is going to mount to the car without drilling any additional holes by pulling this pin on the side here. You can actually remove the plate and put it in the trunk for track events or car shows. Now when installed, the STO and SHO will cost you just a little bit of ground clearance, but it's actually designed to work like a skid plate so it won't damage anything, and it's a much better way to mount a license plate on your new Shelby.